emo. I don't jump around when I go to shows.
What's that off of?
Emo song.
Hey! I'm breaking the top of your head.
You need to burn that.
No, you can sell this on eBay for lots of money.
I'd buy it from you, Kevy.
Oh, my wallet.
Did everything go everywhere?
Just my picture.
Oh. I was hoping like everything just flew out everywhere. That was funny. You should have done that while you're videotaping them.
Oh, I
Just
videotaped
been
that.
like, "Ew," while they were asleep. That would have been awesome.
Yeah.
They'd all be like, shit.
I saw a video on YouTube of these guys, and their friend was asleep in his bed, and they took their cable like that and put it right over him on his bed. So it was like right over his head, and they took a foghorn right to his ear, and he just goes, bashed his head on it. It's the funniest shit ever.
I need to fuck back.
I got paranoid, I've done my job. Is this hard down?
Yeah.
Am I good? Good.
Come on, Kevin, start dancing.
To the robot.
Come on, Kevin, you're gonna lose anyway. Dance, Kev.
Do the robot.
You do robot, bitch.
Song failed.
I guess.
It's funny, I took my fingers, started going like that to Kevin said it in the camera. And then I was going like this, yeah.
What?
Dave, you can't handle this.
You have to stand behind him and do it, so it looks like your hand's going over his head.
Hi.
I want to see it now.